Hello guys, this is Sam, and today I'm going to be talking about OMG, Omisego. Right, so Omisego is a platform, is a company that helps you easily spend your cryptocurrency. Omisego is similar to, just functions in a similar way to 10x. I bought 10x I think that was last year. Yeah, last year. And I bought Omisego, OMG, and 10x the same day. Why? Because they are almost similar in function. So what does Omisego do? It helps you spend your cryptocurrency with ease, right? You go to a coffee shop and you can just switch between any of the cryptocurrency from a particular wallet. You can access different cryptocurrency from a singular wallet and spend them whenever you want to. So that's what Omisego does. Now let's see what they have here, their chart. Now this is July 4th, 2017, and the price of Omisego on the 14th of July was 0.558227. Now let's imagine that you actually invested just $100 into Omisego in 2017. Let's see. That would be $100 divided by, let's assume it's just 0.5, right? So you would have gotten 200 Omisego coin. Now let's go check the new balance for Omisego. That's 200 times 16.96. So 200 Omisego coin times 16.96. You would have made $3,392 from $100. Just by investing $100, you would have made a gain of over $3,292 between when between 2017. It's not even up to a year. You see. Now Omisego still has a long way to go. Still has some some space for huge expansion. And if you want to get Omisego today, as you can see, it's a little bit down. Compared. This is 17, and it has gotten to what's the hash price? This has gotten to $26. All right. So if you want to get some, you just have to come to the market. You can get some from Bitfinex, Binance, Upbits. I'm going to be dropping some of these links here so you can buy. On Binance, you can buy with Bitcoin. On Binance, you can buy with Ethereum. I love Binance so much, right? Now, the best place to get good information about any coin is on their website. You see, so you want to get to their website to read about Omisego, you just click here and then the website will open. Already have that open here. All right, so like I told you, Omisego wants to make spending cryptocurrency very easy. All right, so Omisego is a public Ethereum-based financial technology for use in mainstream digital assets that enables real-time peer-to-peer value exchange and payment services. All right, so Omisego is designed to enable financial inclusion and disrupt blah 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 blah. Well, you can come down here and read all that. So Omisego you know is built on Ethereum network. All right, so it's connected to Ethereum mainnet, and also it is supported by the founder of Ethereum. We can see that here. Where's that right now? These are the team. All right, this is the CEO, right, co-founder, and the rest. That's him there, right? So the founder of Ethereum is their advisor. Lightning Network co-author is their advisor. So they have a great team. See, they have a great team. But right now, the next question will now be, okay, where can I keep my Omisego? Right now, I think the best place to keep your Omisego right now is it's on what's it called? It's on Exodus, right? It's on Exodus. Right now they don't have a wallet now, an SDK wallet. They're supposed to release an SDK wallet, right? But it's not yet out. So uh, you can keep your Omisego coin on Exodus. Well, before you do that, make sure you read the white paper. You see, make sure you read the white paper and maybe watch this video and watch some other videos on YouTube on what just read the white paper, and I think you'll be good. You'll be good. All right. So let's go back to Exodus and see how we can save our Omisego coin. So this is the Exodus website. So Exodus is a desktop wallet that's it's a desktop wallet, and it's also integrated with Shapeshift, where you can actually exchange one coin for another without the need of an exchange like Bittrex or the rest. So okay, Exodus is the first desktop multi-wallet with Shapeshift built in, right? So if you have Bitcoin and you need Ethereum, all you just need to do is click send. I will show you in the app, right? You deposit your Bitcoin and then you get Ethereum using Shapeshift. It's just very easy to use. So with Exodus, you can view your portfolio, the different coins you have. It will be this stuff that looks like a circle here arranges your different assets in in um in percentages, right? In percentages. And also on Exodus, you have your private keys, right? Very important. You have your private keys. And I've already downloaded Exodus, right? So once you click there, you'll be able to. Okay, what happened to the internet? All right, so this is the page. You just click choose your version, and this is what I'm using. If you're using Mac, you can use Mac. If you're using Linux, use Linux there. Alright, so I already have this downloaded in my system. So after you finish downloading, it's actually very easy. You just double click and then you install, and then you have this, right? It's actually very easy. So this is actually what the Exodus wallet looks like. You have different coins. So if you have, it will tell you the percentage of each coin you have. If you have more, if you have just District OX, you have just basic attention coin. In this entire wallet, it will tell you, it will write, it will have 100% here. If you have Bitcoin and then this guy, it will tell you the percentage of Bitcoin and percentage of basic attention coin you have. So I also talked about Civic. I think I have a tutorial on that already on Civic, and I think I have a tutorial on EOS too. I'll drop the link. So this is actually what it looks like, right? And please don't forget to back up, right? That should be the first thing you do. You back up. Right now there's no funds. No, this was freshly done. Now I use this laptop for tutorials. So after backing up, after putting in some money, make sure you back up your wallet. Why? Because it's important, because um if you lose your laptop or maybe you change your laptop, you can't recover your funds without those keys, without those phrases, without what you backed up. So it's very important. Make sure you back it up in a safe place. Right. So this is the wallet. There are different coins here that you could um, use. You want to send, you just click that, put the address there and the amounts. That's actually very very easy to use. Right. Scan the barcode. Now this is exchange, where the what's it called, shapeshift is integrated into. Right. So this was what I was trying to explain earlier on. Now, if you want Ethereum, let's assume you want Civic. I love Civic. Or you want BAT, right? This is Civic. All you just need to do is send Bitcoin, and then you receive Civic to be exchanged for you with Shapeshift, right? So that's basically how it works. So guys, that's like the summary of um, um, how the wallet works. You see, our aim for this particular video tutorial is not to show us around Exodus. Our aim is for we to learn how to deposit Omisego. Alright, so after buying it from the exchange, any of those exchanges, maybe Binance that I showed you, you could just come here and search for what are we looking for? Omisego, right? OMG. Okay, this is it. Omisego. And then you click receive and you send your Omisego. You just copy the address, right? Copied. Address copied. So you click that, then you copy it. That's been copied already to your clipboard, and then you go to wherever you're sending it from, maybe Binance or wherever, and then send it, and then to be deposited, right? So another way to get OMG into your wallet, right, is to come to exchange and then exchange it with let's say you have Bitcoin. So no, whatever coin you want to deposit, right? So in this case, let's go with Bitcoin, right? So then you click and search for OMG. Oh my god. So you search for Omisego. Where is it right now? Right, this is it. And then you fill in the amount you want to send, and then you click exchange. Right now I can't exchange because there's nothing inside right now. You know, I thought it is a fresh wallet. So that's you don't need anything else, right? Just click exchange and then you're done. Then you get your OMG, your Bitcoin exchange for OMG, and then gets created into your wallet. And then you come and see it somewhere around, right? To be somewhere around here. Alright, so guys, thanks for watching. That's how to get your OMG coin into a wallet that you have your private keys. Don't keep your assets in an exchange. They may fold up anytime. Alright guys, so thanks for watching.